Traditional concrete emits over 8% of the world's CO2 emissions every single year. It's the third largest industrial polluter in the world. Now, I would argue that cement and traditional concrete are some of the most important materials in modern civilization, but it's come at a great cost.
Our cities have been developed with so much impervious concrete and asphalt surface area that every time it rains, these surfaces create massive amounts of stormwater runoff pollution and contribute to the risk of localized flooding.
Aquipor emits a fraction of the CO2 that normal concrete does.
And by replacing traditional paved surfaces with Aquipor, we can get stormwater back into the ground naturally and help mitigate stormwater pollution and urban flooding in our cities.
Putting 1 mile of our permeable sidewalk system into a neighborhood would actually get 2.1 million gallons of stormwater back into the ground, 2.1 million gallons of water that doesn't need to be imported from, say, 300 miles away. We don't use any Portland cement in our mix design. We have an extremely low carbon footprint. This is a first of its kind technology that now not only solves the stormwater issue, but it has an inherently low CO2 footprint as opposed to some of the traditional permeable paving technologies out there today. Aquipor's permeable concrete technology is applicable in cities throughout the United States, whether that's a large metropolitan city or a small town that needs to manage stormwater and mitigate some of these impacts from extreme weather. This is a concrete technology that can improve productivity gains for manufacturers because we can mix it, get it into forms, and flipped out of forms in as little as 1 hour. And the disruptions from normal street construction simply aren't there. It's a process where there's minimal construction disruption to maximize physical infrastructure in our cities.